Good morning, all. This is NITIN BHONE, working as assistant professor in All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today, we'll see the overview of engineering graphics. So, in overview of engineering graphics, we'll go on through the syllabus structure, the course objective, course outcome, and a teaching scheme and the examination scheme for the engineering graphics subject prescribed by the Pune University. So syllabus structure for the engineering graphics, the course code is 102012. As per the Pune University, the syllabus structure for the teaching scheme, the theory 1 hour per week, practical 2 hour per week, and tutorial that is 1 hour per week. So as far as the examination scheme is concerned, there is no in-same examination for this subject. In-same examination, it carry 50 marks, and term work, it carry 25 marks. So total marks is of 75. In-same examination 50 marks, and the total term work based on the 6 unit, that is 75 marks. A student has to submit minimum 6 drawing sheets based on the first 6 unit. Credit system for the theory, 1 credit is there. For the practical, 1 credit. Total credit is of 2. So syllabus structure, that is code as we discussed, that is 102012 engineering graphics. Teaching scheme, that is theory 1 hour per week, practical 2 hour per week, and tutorial 1 hour per week. Credit 2. No in-same examinations will be there. In-same examination, it carry 50 marks. So total in-same carry 50 marks, and the term work, that is 25 marks. So the course objective. So today we'll discuss the why this subject is necessary as far as the engineering students is concerned. The course objective, the purpose of implementing this engineering graphics subject for the first year engineering guys. The reason is the objective to acquire the basic knowledge about the engineering, drawing language, line type, dimensions method, simple geometrical construction. One should know the conic section by various methods, that is involute, cycloid, spiral, then oblong method, then focus directrix method. So to draw the various conic section, that is one of the objective. Now to acquire the basic knowledge about the physical realization of engineering object and shall be drawn its different view. So that is again one of the course objective of the engineering graphics. To visualize three-dimensional engineering object and shall be able to draw their isometric views. Next objective is to imagine the visualization of lateral development of solid. And the last one, to acquire the basic knowledge about the various CAD drafting software and its basic command required to construct the simple engineering object. Now the outcome after learning or after studying this subject, on completion of this course, the learner will be able to draw the fundamentals of engineering object using basic rules and able to construct the simple geometry. So after learning this subject, the learner will be able to construct the various engineering curves using the drawing instruments. Then next course outcome is, after studying this subject, the learner will be able to apply the concept of orthographic projection of an object to draw several 2D views and its sectional views for visualizing the physical state of object. Next, our course outcome, apply the visualization skill to draw the simple isometric projection from a given orthographic view precisely using drawing equipments. Then next course objective, after studying this, the learner will be able to draw the development of lateral surfaces of the truncated object solids. Okay, and the last one should know after studying this subject, as one unit is based on the computer aided drafting. So after studying the unit number 2, the learner will be able to draw the fully dimension 2D and 3D drawing using computer aided drafting tool like AutoCAD. The syllabus total, there are 6 units. The unit number 1, we're going to study about the fundamentals of engineering drawing. In that, we'll see the need of engineering drawing and design, sheet layout, line type, methods of placing the dimensions, simple geometrical construction. Unit 2 comprises the introduction to 2D and 3D computer aided drafting packages. Okay, so in that unit, so we'll see the importance of CAD, evolution of the CAD, basic commands. So there are various commands. Basically, the commands are classified into various types. Draw commands are there, modified command are there, line dimensioning command are there, etc. So out of as a after studying the unit number 2, the learner will be able to draw this object by using the CAD tool. So in that, we'll go on through the edit, view, insert, modify, dimensioning command, setting, tools, application to construct the 2D and 3D drawing. Now, in unit number 3, engineering curve. So in engineering curve, we'll cover the topic that is introduction to conic section and its significance, various method to construct the conic section, helix for cone and cylinder, rolling curves like involute, cycloid, and the spiral. Unit number 4, that is the orthographic projection. So orthographic projection means it is a complete representation of the three-dimensional object in terms of two-dimensional. So after seeing this two-dimensional view, one can get the information of the three-dimensional object. So in orthographic projection, we'll learn about the principle of projection, introduction to the first and third angle projection method, orthographic projection of a point, line, plane, solid and machine element parts. Then we'll learn about the unit number 5, that is isometric projection. So exactly reverse case is there. In orthographic projection, we are representing the three-dimensional object in terms of 2D. Similarly, here in the isometric projection, we are transforming that complete information of the 2Ds in terms of 3Ds. So we are developing the three-dimensional object. So introduction to in isometric projection, we'll see the introduction to isometric projection, oblique projection, perspective projection, draw the isometric projection from a given orthographic views. So that is the complete information about the unit number 5. And in the unit number 6, we'll learn about the development of lateral surfaces. So development of lateral surfaces means, suppose there are various types of solid like cone, like cylinder, then prism and pyramid. Then after taking the section, the remaining part that we have to develop it. Okay, so in that, we'll develop the truncated object, as I told you, like pyramid, cone, cylinder and prism. So here we'll see the introduction to the development of lateral surfaces and its industrial application, draw the development of lateral surfaces for cut section of cone, pyramid, prism, cylinder, etc. So that is how the unit, total 6 units are there, which is prescribed by the Pune University. Now for this subject, engineering graphics, the engineering graphics, these are the list of text and the reference book, that is ND Bhatt and VM Panchal engineering drawing, RK Dhawan, then Venu Gopal drawing and graphics, Basant Agrawal and CM Agrawal engineering drawing, engineering drawing by KL Narayan. So these all are the list of books that you have to refer when you are studying the engineering graphics subject. As far as the tutorial section is concerned, in the tutorial, total 5 assignments are there, and all the assignments the student has to draw by using the CAD software. Okay, so minimum 2 problems on each assignment that you have to solve. So total 5 sheets are there. As sheet number 1, first 2 units are fundamentals. There is no assignment based on first 2 units. In assignment number 1, it based on construction of engineering curves using any method. Assignment number 2 is it is based on the orthographic projection. 3 it is based on the isometric projection. 4 it is based on the isometric or the orthographic component that we have developed in the workshop, okay, in the last semester. And assignment number 5 that is based on the development of lateral surfaces. So this is how the practical session, that minimum 2 problem solve on each and every sheet. Use the A3 size drawing sheet. The size is it is mentioned, and student has to submit total 5 drawing sheets based on this engineering graphics. So this is about the term and the practical session. Thank you all.